Tip 8. When I was a young kid, I cut grass, I sold radios, I sold bikes, I sold all types of things. And the reason why, because I have the entrepreneur spirit. And I did that because I remember going to my friend's house and my friend's mom bought him a Tommy Hilfiger shirt. I love the Tommy Hilfiger shirt. In fact, when I put it on, I felt important. I felt that this is what I want. Now again, you're selling that to a kid that's 9, 10 years old. You start feeling really important because they put a shirt on. It's a big deal, especially for somebody that age. So for me, my motivation was I want to be able to live like that. What I do, I cut grass, and then I eventually got a couple kids together and they cut the grass for me, and I made differences. I sold car products, radios, speakers, rims, always selling something in order to have the seed capital to live the life that I wanted to live, even at a young age. And the reason why, because once you find your motivation, once you find your why, you're gonna continue to do so. But at first, you have to do things you don't necessarily want to do in order to make the money you need to make. Have a side hustle. If you're looking to open your own business, you always want to make sure you have some sort of income to protect your family, to make sure you can continue paying the bills. Have a side hustle. It may not be what you're looking to do going forward. It may be just something you have to do to get enough money to open your own business. I remember when I was younger, working in the morning like a regular job, and then coming home and then going to work at night, and then in between trying to flip items to try to make enough seed capital in order for me to operate my own business. You have to do what you don't want to do, but do things that can make money. There's simple, stupid things that you can do that nobody wants to do. Nobody likes cutting the grass. There's a lot of things that you could do today to make money for the future. You may not like to doing it right away, but with time, that will generate enough side income or income that can help you pay your bills and help you propel to open your own business.